Drug discovery. This stage involves identifying and researching potential drug candidates, often through extensive laboratory research and experimentation. Preclinical testing. Before a new drug candidate can be tested in humans, it undergoes extensive preclinical testing in the laboratory and on animals to determine its safety and effectiveness. Clinical trials. If a drug candidate passes the preclinical stage, it moves on to clinical trials, which have three main phases. Phase 1. Testing the drug's safety and dosage in a small group of healthy volunteers. Phase 2. Testing the drug's safety and effectiveness in a larger group of patients. Phase 3. Large-scale testing in a diverse group of patients to confirm safety and efficacy. Regulatory approval. The pharmaceutical company submits data from clinical trials to regulatory authorities, such as the FDA in the United States, for approval. If the drug is approved, it can be marketed and sold. Manufacturing. Once a drug is approved, pharmaceutical companies must establish a manufacturing process to produce it at a large scale. This involves creating a consistent formulation, quality control, and adherence to good manufacturing practices, GMP. Quality control. Rigorous quality control measures are put in place to ensure the safety, efficacy, and consistency of each batch of the drug. Packaging and distribution. After manufacturing, the drugs are packaged, labeled, and distributed to pharmacies and healthcare providers. Post-marketing surveillance. Ongoing monitoring of the drug's safety and effectiveness in real-world use is critical to ensure any potential side effects or issues are identified and addressed. It's important to note that pharmaceutical companies are subject to strict regulations and must adhere to ethical and safety standards throughout the drug development and manufacturing process. Developing and manufacturing drugs is a highly specialized field, and it requires collaboration among scientists, regulatory bodies, healthcare professionals, and many others.